This is what you should have learned in Algebra 2 last year, Part 1. So we have the trinomial 6x squared plus 11x plus 3, and we want to factor it by grouping. So this is my A term, my B term, and my C term. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply A by C. And so if we do that, we would multiply 6 times 3 to get 18. So now that we know what A times C is, we want to find two numbers that multiply to 18 but add to positive 11. So I'm thinking that if we use 9 and 2, we can multiply to 18 and add to 11. So I'm going to write those right over here. So now we're going to rewrite our trinomial. So 6x squared plus, instead of 11x, we're now going to expand that out into our 9x and our 2x, and then plus 3 at the end. So this expression is still equal, but we just expanded our 11x out into 9x and 2x. So now we're going to see what we can factor out of each group. And so I see that we can factor out a 3x from our first group. And so that's going to give me 3x times 2x plus 3. And then our second group, there's nothing that we can factor out really except for a 1. So I'm going to take out a 1, and it's just going to be 1 times 2x plus 3, and that's going to be it. So you can see that we ended up with the same thing inside of parentheses. We have 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3. So that means that we can rewrite this as 3x plus 1 times 2x plus 3, and that would be our final answer. And so that is how you factor by grouping. Stay tuned for part 2.